What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the NANOLUX LEDex fixture. Let's get into it. Now, it might be a little difficult to get these fixtures if you're just a normal at-home grower. I believe they only sell wholesale and to commercial growers, but I was fortunate enough to be able to bring some home from our facility and try them out in my home grow and see how they work. Now, I'm going to be using a 4x4 tent, so we'll see how ample coverage these get with the 4 F110 bars that I'm going to be using. Now, the first thing to note is that these fixtures have a variable design setup, allowing you to customize it however works best for you and your application. I'm going to be using 4 of the F110 bars in my 4x4 tent, which should be more than enough and allow for ample canopy coverage. The F110s are their full spectrum option and mostly white hue to them, but come equipped with yellow, white, and red diodes, allowing for full spectrum output. Average output on these guys is between 2.7 and 2.74 U-moles per joule and have a light distribution angle of 120 degrees. Now, when securing these 110s to the ballast, you just make sure you have it in this groove in the light bar, and they're super easy to attach. You just take 2 of these little NANOLUX clips that come with it, slide right down the rail, and clip it to your ballast. All of their plugs also have a watertight seal, so moisture from very humid rooms or water leaks or just maybe a little splash shouldn't be an issue, and the ballast mounts super easy with the brackets installed on the ballast, using either ratchet straps or chain to secure it. I'm deciding to use the 8-6-6 positions on the ballast to form an even spread with the 4 F110 bars that I'm using. They seat perfectly in this little carved out spot that I'd mentioned before and secure easily with those clips. After a long day of being on, I've never noticed these get too hot, even in our 80-degree vegetative rooms, so they shouldn't be an issue in this small little 4x4 tent. Now, the T4 that I'm going to be using, among all the other ballast options, have a variable voltage range. They range from 120 volts, which I'm going to be using at home, to a commercial 277 volts. This allows you to plug them in at home or set them up in a commercial facility. There are 5 different light bars also offered from NANOLUX to achieve your desired spectrum. They have anything from UV to blue to purple to far red. They also have a variety of different size ballasts to fit the space you're working with, as I'd mentioned before. I'm going to be using the T4 in this video because it works best in my 4x4 setup. Overall, I've been super impressed with these lights in our commercial garden, growing the top quality green. They come equipped with typical phone line inputs as well, so you can hook them up to your automation systems with ease and be able to achieve your desired PPFD. They unfortunately don't have a dimming option on the ballast itself for quick, easy use, but again, these are designed for commercial facilities, not at home facilities, so this makes sense for this application.